This dance is called Trashy Women. It's a 32 count, full wall, beginner level line dance. Starting on our left foot with some heel switches. So touch your left heel forward, step the left beside the right. Touch your right heel forward, step the right beside the left. Touch your left heel forward again, twice. That's in the forward position. You're then going to touch that heel forward another twice, but across the right. So that little set of steps once more then. Heel switches off on the left. 7, 8. Heel and heel and heel, 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 heel. So remember those last two are across the right. Touch the left toe back. Now you're going to make all of these angles, these touches now, on this diagonal, whilst you're still the equivalent of facing forward. So you're going to touch your left toe back, touch the left heel forward, touch the left toe back, touch the left heel forward. You're now going to jump and swap positions of your feet. So your left will come back, your right will go forward. And clap. Into some hip bumps. So you're going to effectively push your hips forward, back. Now I'd concentrate on doing the hip movements first before you put in some optional styling steps. But once you've got the use of doing your hip bumps, you actually clench your fists. I've only got one fist available, but I'll show you with just the one. As you push your hip forward, you're going to pull your fist in. As your hips go back, you push out, you pull in, you push out. So there's some optional styling steps should you wish. So the footwork then, for that last section. Toe heel on this diagonal plane. Left foot leading. 7, 8. Toe, heel, jump, clap, bump, forward, back. So let's add those two sections together. Heel switches off on the left. 7, 8. Heel and heel and heel, 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 heel. Toe, heel, jump, clap, but forward, back. You're now going to do a couple of vines, but we're going to turn to start with to get into the first vines. We're going to make a quarter turn left as we step our right to the side, cross the left behind the right, step the right to the side, hitch the left. Normal line to the left now, step left to the side, cross the right behind the left, step the left to the side, hitch the right. So when doing all of these turn steps, make sure you do turn your whole body and don't just twist it. So we're in this little funny bumpy position. Quarter turn to the left. 7, 8. Turn behind, side, hitch, side, behind, side, hitch. So add that to the top. Heel switches off on the left. 7, 8. Heel and heel and heel, heel. Toe, heel. Jump, clap, bump. Turn behind, side, hitch, side, behind, side, hitch. Walk back now 3 steps, right foot leading. Right, left, hitch the left. Step forward on the left, slide the right beside the left, step forward on the left, stomp the right beside the left. Remember that stomp is through the heel of the foot, not flat-footed. End of dance when we get to that point. So let's just do that last section once more, walking back, right foot leading. 7, 8, back, 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 hitch, step, slide, step, stomp. So the tricky steps are at the beginning. So let's put it all together. Heel switches off on the left. 7, 8, heel and heel and heel, 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 toe, heel, jump, clap, bump, pull back, forward, back, turn behind, side, hitch, side, behind, side, hitch, back, 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 hitch, step, slide, step, stop. So that is your dance. It is a full wall dance, so let's have a go at the other 3 walls. Heel switches off on the left. 7, 8, heel and heel and heel, 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 toe, heel, jump, clap, forward, back, turn behind, side, hitch, side, behind, side, hitch, back, 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 hitch, step, slide, step, stop. Heel and heel and heel, 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 jump, clap, forward, back, turn behind, side, hitch, side, behind, side, hitch, back, 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 hitch, step, slide, step, stop. Heel and heel and heel, 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 jump, clap, forward, back, turn behind, side, hitch, side, behind, side, hitch, back, 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 hitch, step, slide, step, stop. So that's your dance and your walkthrough. Let's give it a go to a bit of music.
Excited, leaves me really confused. And I like my women just a little on the trashy side. Yeah, I like my women and I like them on the trashy side.
Hope you managed that one.